much threat was I under for delivering they weren't subpoenas, they were cease and desist. What were those letters that I delivered?
Well, those you were not under a lot of threat, but what we did is we didn't want to have to litigate because it's the last resort. So we wrote letters to the sheriffs in the counties that we targeted, which were Butts and Spalding. And we gave them an opportunity to stop doing what they were doing. So we delivered a letter to them explaining to them how the law was unconstitutional because they didn't, Missouri at least had it on the books. Georgia invented it out of their recti. Georgia Sheriff's Association urged their sheriffs so they could go out and get big PR, having news cameras following them around in their 159 counties in the state of Georgia. And they didn't have any legal authority. Just because you have legal authority doesn't mean you can do it constitutionally. What I explain to people is when there's no legal authority, that makes your cause even easier because we have A, something that's unconstitutional if there were a statute, and B, we have no statute.
Well, anyway, I drove around the state delivering these things to people while I was still under supervision. And people are like, I can't do anything. I'm under. You can do stuff. I promise you can do stuff while you're under supervision.
Well, you not only did that, you went and took an order when you were needing a travel permit to a judge's office to have it signed.
I did.
And that could have gotten you in trouble.
And I almost got pounced on. If anybody's seen the movie Monsters, Inc., when they come back and there's the sock on Sully or whoever's back and they just freaking jump on them. My God, they were running down the hallway. I was terrified.